Well-balanced meals that includes a variety of nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats can provide the fuel our bodies need to stay energized throughout the day. When we feel energized, we are filled with a vibrant, positive energy that fuels our motivation and drive. This state of being fuels our passion and helps us approach challenges with enthusiasm and determination. Embracing this energy empowers us to conquer obstacles and seize opportunities, enabling us to thrive in every aspect of our lives. Welcome back. Today we're exploring the importance of nourishing your body and mind with foods that offer lasting energy. Discovering how simple meal choices can significantly impact your daily energy levels, particularly on hectic days, is essential for maintaining productivity and well-being. Understanding the importance of food as the foundation of your energy is crucial for maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. The nutrients and calories provided by food are the fuel that powers your body, enabling you to perform daily activities and exercise. Without a proper diet, you may experience fatigue, lack of focus, and decreased physical performance. Sustained energy is crucial for maintaining productivity throughout the day, as it allows individuals to stay focused and alert for longer periods of time. Food isn't just fuel, it's the foundation of how we feel and function. The nutrients in the food we consume play a critical role in not only providing energy but also in supporting our overall well-being. From improving mood and mental clarity to boosting physical strength and endurance, the importance of a balanced and nourishing diet cannot be overstated. The food choices we make directly impact our energy levels throughout the day. High sugar and processed foods can cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to feelings of fatigue and low energy. On the other hand, choosing balanced meals with a combination of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and lean proteins can provide a steady release of energy, keeping us alert and focused. It's important to fuel your body with the right nutrients to keep your mind sharp and maintain energy levels throughout the day. Making the wrong choices can lead to feeling sluggish and unfocused. Discover the top energy-boosting foods to prioritize for a healthy lifestyle and increased vitality. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can naturally boost your energy levels and overall well-being. These foods provide the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to function at its best. Simple carbohydrates are made of 1 or 2 sugar molecules and are quickly digested, providing a rapid but short-lived energy boost. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, consist of long chains of sugar molecules, take longer to digest, and provide a sustained release of energy. Complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and sweet potatoes are excellent choices for steady energy release. These foods are rich in fiber and nutrients, which help regulate blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy for longer periods of time. Protein plays a crucial role in providing sustained energy and muscle support. It serves as a source of long-lasting energy, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied for an extended period of time. Additionally, protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making it an important nutrient for anyone engaging in physical activities or sports. Incorporating lean proteins such as eggs, fish, chicken, and plant-based options like lentils or chickpeas into your diet is essential for muscle repair and sustained energy. These foods are rich in essential amino acids and nutrients that support overall health and fitness. Healthy fats are essential for providing long-lasting energy to the body, as they are a concentrated source of calories that can be used as a steady fuel supply. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are essential for keeping you feeling full and energized throughout the day. These fats provide a steady source of energy and help to regulate blood sugar levels, keeping cravings at bay. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet can provide sustained energy throughout the day. Fruits and vegetables are rich in essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, which contribute to improved energy levels and overall well-being. From the natural sugars in fruits to the complex carbohydrates in vegetables, these foods offer a steady source of energy without the crash associated with processed snacks or sugary drinks. Discover the hydration heroes of nature: cucumbers, oranges, and watermelons. These high water content fruits and veggies are the perfect way to stay hydrated and alert throughout the day. Balancing macronutrients, such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, is crucial for maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Include a mix of lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats in your meals to provide sustained fuel for your body and brain. A high-sugar diet can cause energy crashes, so it's important to avoid sugary foods for lasting energy. Certain foods can cause a rapid spike in energy followed by a crash, leaving you feeling drained and fatigued. Limitations can be seen as boundaries or restrictions that are placed on something, often to define its extent or scope. It can refer to physical, mental, or emotional restrictions, as well as rules and regulations set in place for various purposes. Consuming sugary snacks and drinks can lead to energy crashes due to the rapid spike and subsequent drop in blood sugar levels. This can result in feelings of fatigue, irritability, and a lack of focus. Highly processed foods, such as sugary snacks, fast food, and packaged meals, often contain low amounts of essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrient-poor foods can contribute to a variety of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Consuming excessive caffeine can lead to a caffeine overload, disrupting your natural energy flow later in the day. This can result in a crash, leaving you feeling fatigued and irritable. Meal prep for busy days covers the importance of planning and preparing meals in advance to save time and eat healthily on hectic days. When life gets hectic, meal prep is your secret weapon. It saves time and helps you eat healthier throughout the week by planning and preparing your meals in advance. When planning balanced meals and snacks, focus on including a combination of complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support sustained energy throughout the day. Batch cooking involves preparing large portions of grains, roasted veggies, and proteins that can be mixed and matched for quick and convenient meals throughout the week. This method saves time and ensures that nutritious options are readily available. Portioning snacks into small containers, such as nuts, trail mix, or veggie sticks, allows for convenient grab-and-go energy. Quick breakfasts, overnight oats, smoothies, or hard-boiled eggs are easy, nutrient-packed options. Overnight oats can be prepared the night before and personalized with various toppings for a satisfying and healthy breakfast. Smoothies are customizable, convenient, and can be packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein to kickstart the day. Hard-boiled eggs are a portable and protein-rich option for a quick morning meal. The following step-by-step meal prep activity guides you through the process of planning and preparing meals in a systematic manner, ensuring efficiency and healthy eating. Join me for a fun and easy meal prep session where we can prepare some delicious and nutritious meals together. Let's share tips and tricks for efficient meal prepping and make the process enjoyable. Taking 15 minutes to chop your favorite veggies, such as carrots, bell peppers, and broccoli, can help you prepare healthy, delicious meals throughout the week. Quinoa and brown rice are versatile and nutritious grains that can be prepared in large quantities to save time and be used in various recipes throughout the week. Whether you prefer chicken, tofu, or salmon, grilling or baking, these protein options can create delicious and healthy meals. Season with your favorite herbs and spices for added flavor. To ensure freshness and convenience, divide the prepared meals into individual containers for the next 3 days. Add a handful of greens or a drizzle of olive oil to enhance the flavors and nutritional value. Eating for mental clarity focuses on how our dietary choices can impact cognitive functions and mental well-being. It discusses the importance of consuming nutrient-rich foods that support brain health and cognitive function, such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. Emphasizing the role of a balanced diet in promoting mental clarity and sharpness, the section may also provide tips and guidelines for choosing brain-boosting foods and developing healthy eating habits for enhanced cognitive performance. Energy isn't just about the body, it's about the mind too. The mind plays a crucial role in influencing our energy levels, motivation, and overall well-being. Mental energy can be cultivated through practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and positive thinking, leading to a more balanced and vibrant life. Foods rich in omega-3s, like salmon or walnuts, and antioxidants, berries, spinach, support brain function, helping you stay clear-headed and focused. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. You can easily boost your hydration with simple hacks, such as infusing water with fruits, using a water bottle with time markers, and incorporating hydrating foods like watermelon and cucumber into your diet. Hydration is often overlooked. Start your day with a glass of water and keep a bottle nearby. Enhance the flavor of your water by adding lemon or cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Eating energy-boosting foods can help improve focus and productivity. Consider adding foods rich in complex carbohydrates, such as quinoa and sweet potatoes, to your next meal for sustained energy. Start small, maybe with one nutrient-dense snack or a simple meal prep session this week. As we proceed on this journey, the momentum we're building is truly remarkable. Tomorrow, we're going to explore the complex world of cravings, understanding their deeper meanings and learning effective strategies to overcome them without compromising the progress we've worked so hard for.